Now here's a novel concept. A watery waistcoat washing pocket dump. Now what my pup was doing earlier while I was filming that stump was eating the 3 broken duck eggs that I had in my pocket, with which I intended to break my fast. I suck at cinematography. No point wasting time trying to do that. Right, I wanted to use my knife to open some duck eggs and suck on them. Thought that would be kind of macho. And also a very nutritious brunch. But they broke in my pocket because I forgot about them. And the dogs had them. You know, whatever I was able to tip out of my pocket. So that's nice. More where they came from. So that's my waistcoat. It's just gonna go, the whole thing can just go in, I think, at this point. It's all covered in egg. Can I zoom out with a wet hand? There we go. Okay, duck egg soup. Brilliant. It's delicious. Clean it. Go on, you guys, help. Wish I could get them to dig holes where I want them in the garden, instead of exactly where I don't want them. Messing up my apple tree. So, first out of the pocket, and getting unegged. The William Collins Rescue Survival Tool. Do not bite that dog. You'll bite your face in half. Possibly the sharpest blade I own. And he hardens this extra hard. So you can hone with it. And look, it's a little hawkbill. Arguably my favorite blade profile. So we'll get that clean. Oh, no, I can't even leave anything. Okay, we'll get it clean. Put it in the pocket. There we go. What's next? The ceramic rod. Shout out to Captain Electro. Ceramic rod. Boy! And more sharpening stuff. That's right. As a rule, all I carry in my waistcoat is sharpening stuff. I don't really have an EDC on that front. It would depend on what blades I'm carrying. Oh my god, I'm chewing gum in the camera. I bet that's really annoying. Not to mention the smoker's cough. Right. Try and carry a bit of everything, and then tailor according to needs. I don't know. It's a Scully, but it's the Pakistani one. I might not make it. I used to make them in California. But no, see, look at that. Here you go, have some eggshell. Delicious, get the calcium.